Lesson 6. Introduction to HTML. Introduction. A web page is a document commonly written in HTML hypertext markup language that is accessible through the internet or other networks using an internet browser. A web page, or sometimes simply called as a page, is a document commonly written in HTML hypertext markup language that is accessible through the internet or other networks using an internet browser. A web page is accessed by entering a URL address and may contain text, graphics, and hyperlinks to other web pages and files. How to open a web page? Viewing a web page requires a browser like Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or Chrome. For example, if you want to open Facebook page, you may type www.facebook at the address bar of any web browser mentioned above. This will open up the home page, first default page of Facebook. Other examples are www.commonsensemedia.org shown below. Let us now understand few things about HTML using which a web page is created. Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) is a markup language for creating a web page. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages, HTML documents are linked together. Thus, the link available on a web page is called hypertext. As its name suggests, HTML is a markup language, which means you can use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. Tags in HTML language. HTML tags are the hidden keywords and used to create web pages in different formats. Most of the tags contain two parts, opening tags and closing tags. The text of opening and closing tags are the same, but the closing tags contain / character. There are some tags which do not require closing tags. Let's discuss different tags available in HTML language. List. These are primarily used for creating an orderly arrangement of various information to be made available on the web page. HTML offers web authors 3 ways for specifying lists of information. All lists must contain one or more list elements. Lists may be of the following types. UL, an unordered list. This will list items using plain bullets. OL, an ordered list. This will use different schemes of numbers to list your items. DL, a definition list. This arranges your items in the same way as they are arranged in a dictionary. Unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. For example, doc type HTML, HTML, body, H2, an unordered HTML list /H2, UL, LI, coffee /LI, LIT /LI, LI milk /LI, /UL, /body, /HTML. Output. An unordered HTML list, coffee, tea, milk. The type attribute is used to specify the type of bullets to be used for each item in the list. The type attribute used above is the disk for filled circles. If we need empty circles as bullets, then we write UL type is equal to circle in double quotes in place of UL initially. Example, doc type HTML, HTML, body, H2, unordered list with circle bullets /H2. UL type is equal to circle in double quotes, LI coffee /LI, LIT /LI, LI milk /LI, /UL, /body, /HTML. Output in front of you. The bullets are in the form of circles. Ordered list. If you are required to put your items in a numbered list, instead of bulleted. Then HTML ordered list will be used. This list is created by using OL tag. By default, numbered lists are used. For example, doc type HTML, HTML body H2 an ordered HTML list /H2, OL li coffee /li, lit /li, li milk /li /ol /body /HTML. Output will be an ordered HTML list 1 coffee, 2 tea, 3 milk. The type attribute of the OL tag defines the type of the list item marker. Type, description. Type is equal to 1. The list items will be numbered with numbers, default. Type is equal to capital A in double quotes. The list items will be numbered with uppercase letters. Type is equal to lowercase a, which is a small a in double quotes. The list items will be numbered with lowercase letters. Type is equal to first in double quotes. The list items will be numbered with uppercase Roman numbers. Type is equal to first, which is the lowercase Roman number, in double quotes. The list items will be numbered with lowercase Roman number. Inserting images in a web page. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in simple way on your web page. You can insert any image in your web page by using img tag. Let's understand this tag in detail by knowing the attributes of the img tag. These attributes are essentially used to correctly insert images in web page. First, src. To insert an image, we define the path or the URL of the image is to be inserted. For example, img src is equal to image URL in double quotes, attributes list / where src stands for source. Second is alt. The alt attribute is a mandatory attribute which specifies an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. For example, img src is equal to /html /images /test.png in double quotes. Alt is equal to test image in double quotes /. Third one is align. By default, image will align at the left side of the page, but you can use align attribute to set it in the center or right. For example, img src is equal to /html /images /test.png in double quotes. Alt is equal to test image in double quotes. Border is equal to 3 in double quotes. Align is equal to right in double quotes, right /body. Fourth one is height and width. You can set image width and height based on your requirement using width and height attributes. You can specify width and height of the image in terms of either pixels or percentage of its actual size. For example, img src is equal to /html /images /test.png in double quotes. Alt is equal to test image in double quotes. Width is equal to 150. Height is equal to 100 in double quotes /body. Fifth one is border. By default, image will have a border around it. You can specify a border thickness in terms of pixels using border attribute. A thickness of 0 means no border around the picture. For example, img src is equal to /html /images /test.png in double quotes. Alt is equal to test image in double quotes. Border is equal to 3 in double quotes /body. Practice. Doc type HTML, HTML body, H2 image as a link /H2. P, the image is a link, you can click on it /P. A, href is equal to default.asp in double quotes. img src is equal to smiley.gif in double quotes. Alt is equal to HTML tutorial in double quotes. Style is equal to width:42 pixels semicolon height is equal to 42 pixels, semicolon border is equal to 0, semicolon in double quotes /A. P. Add border colon 0 semicolon in double quotes to prevent IE9 and earlier from displaying a border around the image /P /body /HTML. Output: image as a link. The image is a link, you can click on it. Smiley. Add border 0 to prevent IE9 and earlier from displaying a border around the image. Tables. The HTML tables allow web authors to arrange data like text, images, links, other tables, etc. into rows and columns of cells. The HTML tables are created using the table tag, in which the TR tag is used to create table rows and the TD tag is used to create data cells. The elements under TD are regular and left aligned by default. The TH tag is used to define headings of table. Caption tag is used to define a title of the table. Tip: the TD elements are the data containers of the table. They can contain all sorts of HTML elements, text, images, lists, and other tables, etc. To represent the tables more efficiently and attractive, following attributes are used in table tag. Adding a border. If you do not specify a border for the table, it will be displayed without borders for the default value 0. For example, table border is equal to 2. Border color. It is used to give colors to the borders added in the table. Its value can be name of any color like red, green, yellow, etc. For example, table border is equal to 2. Border color is equal to yellow in double quotes. BG color. In order to change the background color, this attribute is used. Again, the value can be the name of any color. For example, table BG color is equal to olive in double quotes. Height and width. To change the setting of height and width of the tables used, we use this attribute. The value is a number which represents the pixels of the computer screen. For example, table height is equal to 80, width is equal to 60. These values can also be in terms of percentage. For example, table height is equal to 80%, width is equal to 60%. Frames. In order to display only a specific border of the table, frames are used as attribute to table. For example, table border is equal to 3, frames is equal to box in double quotes. Cell spacing. To adjust the space between adjacent cells, cell spacing is used. For example, table border is equal to 1, cell spacing is equal to 20 in double quotes. Cell padding. To adjust the space between the border and cell contents, cell padding is used. For example, table border is equal to 1, cell padding is equal to 10 in double quotes. Do you know? Default value of cell spacing and cell padding is 2. Attributes of the TD tag.